Hello everyone. Let's see how we can copy data from sales header to customer ledger entry while posting the transaction. So we want to achieve this sales header customer ledger entry, but the proper way is we have to flow to general line, then flow into the customer ledger entry. So whatever we are posting, it always goes via general journal and get posted. We can bypass and create also directly to update customer ledger entry. But if you manually if you post it from general channel, it will not get updated. The new field, if you want to flow it, we cannot update it. So that's why the proper way is create it in general channel, the same field, and flow into the customer ledger entry. Right. So let's see. I think in the previous video I showed, I have created a new field, my first field created. Let's see, this same field we will flow into this customer ledger entry while posting the transaction. Okay. Right, so we already have a field in sales header, and we have it in our posted sales in our header also. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add it to the customer ledger entry. Okay, so this is customer ledger entry. Right, so this is customer ledger entry. Customer ledger entry. Okay, done. So we have created a field. So we also need to create it in general journal line. So create general line, same field we have created. So we have completed the field. Then we will create the fields in our customer ledger entry. Okay. Right. So the extension, the page name, customer ledger entries. Okay. So we have created in all these places, right? So it's completed. Now we have to write the code to flow into the customer ledger entry table, right? So for that, let's go to the event, the code unit which we have created before. Where is it? Somewhere. All right. So I already have one code in it, customer ledger entry edit. Let's use this same coordinate. Right. So there are two events we need to use to create. We need to flow the information to customer ledger entry. One is from customer ledger entry table, right? Another one is from general journal, because we have to flow from sales header to general journal first, then journal to customer ledger entry. Okay, so I will to the general journal line first to find the event. Right. General line. Whatever the name, it doesn't matter the name. So I will go to this. I will see copy sales header any even. All right, so we got copy from sales header. We can hook it this event. Go to definition, grab this, then I'll go back to my code unit. Then this is the event subscriber. This is going to be table because we are subscribed to the table now. This is from general gen, so it's a table database, and our table name is this. The event is which the one which we copied, and these things we can delete, make it false. As we are not going to check license or permission. Right. So for the better practice, we can just put like this table. I think it is 83, 81. I don't know. The table number, I forget. So I go here, so it's 81, correct. So 81. We have to flow the information, right? So general journal line dot my first field is equal to sales header dot my first field. So now we have flow into this general journal line. The next step is we have to flow from general journal line to customer ledger entry. So for that, we will find the again event, which is customer ledger entry. I could copy journal, journal line. Okay, right. So somewhere copy from journal line. So the event which you are going to hook is this one, customer ledger entry. On after customer ledger entry from journal. With this, go back to our code unit. Let's subscribe this event. Event. So it's going to be a table. Then our database. This is going to be our customer ledger entry. The event which we have copied is on after blah blah blah. Right. So blank, false, false. Right. So we have copied now. Then we have to assign. So customer ledger entry dot my first field is equal to general journal line dot first field. Right. So we have copied. So we don't need this variable. So don't keep it unwanted variable. Right. So now completed. So we only this piece of code which will help to flow the information all the way to the customer ledger entry. Okay, I'll save this. Let's deploy this. So we can use Control F5 or you can go from here, somewhere here, start debugging, whatever. Right. So I'll go to my custom sales order. I'll open any one of the sales order. So does it have any quantity to ship? Okay, so we have only shipped 0.1. Okay, I'll put some value here. Flow this info. Okay, so quantity to ship 0.1, quantity to invoice. Okay, let's ship again this one. Post ship and invoice together. Once it is posted, then you can navigate and see the details. So it has got posted. I'll go from here, order invoices. So okay, so we got it over here. Flow this info, find entries. Then I'll go to my customer ledger entry. Did we add this field? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Where did we add this field? We'll go and find first. After external document number. Okay, so where is the external document number? Here. Let's go to this inspect page and find my first field. Okay, we got this information. Okay, so yeah, here. So I can see here, this is over here, my first field info. So it is as simple. So I can do the same for sales header also. Sorry, purchase header also. Let's say even if you want to flow into the GL entry, so that is also possible. Create where GL entry record GL entry. Okay, right. So let's go to this. Copy from generals. For example, if you create a field in general ledger also, GL entry also, then you hook this event to bring it over here. All right. Okay, let me highlight the code again. So if I go back to my code, so these are the events. General journal line on after sales header, customer ledger entry on after from general line. That's all. Thanks for watching.